Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice in the Waze app in 2026. So if you don't like the current navigation voice in Waze, you can change it in just few simple taps. And here's exactly the instructions to do so. Before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store if you want to download this and benefit from an easier, more practical driving experience. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to change the voice in the Waze app in 2026. So first of all, we're going to open the Waze app and tap the menu icon. Now the menu icon is the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. We're going to click on them here. And here you're going to see all these options. We're going to make sure to click on the settings. Now inside the settings, you're going to tap the voice and sound here. And here you're going to find the current voice. Now look for the Waze voice app, then tap it to open the list of available navigation voices. For example, I'm going to click on this option right here. And as you can see, there are a lot of options. There's the English version. You'll see different voices and languages depending on your device and region. You're going to choose the voice you want to use with the language you want. And then once selected, Waze will use that voice for your navigation instructions. And if you want to switch to another language, you can also select an available voice in your preferred language from all these options, as you can see here. And also you can return to the map and start the route. You can click on the X button here. And if the voice doesn't change correctly, Waze official help recommends reinstalling the app as a possible troubleshooting step. And that's it. You can now customize your Waze navigation voice whenever you want. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.